Hello students, today we are going to study what comes in between. Students, you have already studied what comes after and what comes before. So this is related to that. So these are the numbers and we are going to study what comes between them. This is 2 dash 4. After 2 what comes? 3. And before 4 what comes? 3. So what comes in between them? 3. Now next is 14 dash 16. After 14 what comes? 15. And before 16 what comes? That is also 15. So between 14 and 16 what comes? 1, 5, 15. So next number is 6 dash 8. After 6 what comes? 7. Before 8 what comes? That is also 7. So between 6 and 8 what comes? That is 7. Next 23 dash 25. After 23 what comes? That is 24. And before 25 that is also 24. So between 23 and 25 the number that is 24. Now our next number is 39 dash 41. After 39 the number that is 40 and before 41 that is also 40. So 40. Now next is 11 dash 13. After 11 the number that is 12 and before 13 the number that is also 12. 1, 2, 12. Now 44 dash 46. After 44 the number that comes that is 45 and before 46 that is also 45. So 4, 5, 45 is that number which comes between 44 and 46. Now 18 dash 20. After 18 the number that is 19 and before 20 also the number that is 19. 1, 9, 19. So next number is 35 dash 37. After 35 the number that comes that is 36 and before 37 the number that comes that is 36. So between 35 and 37 the number that comes in between that is 36. Now between 21 dash 23 the number that comes that is 2, 22. Now we'll read from the starting. Between 2 and 4 3. Between 14 and 16 the number that comes is 15. Between 6 and 8 that is 7. Between 23 and 25, that is 24. Between 39 and 41, that is 40. Between 11 and 13, the number that comes in between, that is 12. Between 44 and 46, the number that comes in between, that is 45. Between 18 and 20, that is 19. Between 35 and 37, the number that comes in between, that is 36. Between 21 and 23, the number that is 22. So students, complete this work in your copy and practice it. Thank you.